A mobile peel board for window tinting for under 150 bucks, easy. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wayne. This is Fade to Black. So if you like window tinting, vinyl wrapping, and all types of auto restyling, this is the place for you. So smash that subscribe button so you can see what we got going on here at Fade to Black. I had a lot of people asking about the peel board that I use because I do a lot of mobile tinting. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys what I have. Maybe it's something that'll work for you. I want to give a shout out to Israel of the Rough Rider Moto crew. He picked up some Fade to Black merchandise. Man, I greatly appreciate you supporting the channel. And I'm gonna leave a link to his YouTube channel down below. Go check him out, man. Subscribe to his channel. He's riding around Texas on one wheel. I appreciate the support. I definitely want to thank anyone that has subscribed and all the subscribers that are watching Fade to Black, man. I greatly appreciate you guys. Like I said, for 2020, I got some things I want to try. I want to try some short videos where we can engage and talk about car topics. And I also want to try some live streams where we can just hang out, just talk about something, or maybe we can do some live streams and film something, or maybe I can show you guys the way I do some install techniques or something like that. But in this video, we're gonna talk about the mobile peel board that I use. I've been using it for a while. It's pretty cheap, it works well. I take it all over the place and it's held up pretty good. So I'm gonna show you guys what that is. So actually, this is an Amazon easel for painting pictures. Now I'm no painter by any means, but I found that this works out pretty good. I saw one other guy had it on a Facebook group and he showed me and I was like, dude, I'm gonna try that. So I think this thing right now is less than 80 bucks. I'm gonna have an Amazon link below, and if you guys are interested, I would greatly appreciate if you use the link to purchase your Amazon easel or anything else that you need tint related. I have a link down in the description below. I would greatly appreciate that because that helps support the channel. I've been using it for over a year. It's worked flawlessly. It's really light. You can pick it up, you can take it anywhere you gotta go, and it works well. Now the glass, my glass is 32 by 38. I just made that so I can put two pieces of truck side glasses on here, truck roll-ups. So I can put two roll-ups, so I can do two at a time. Since I double cut, I double shriek, I can do all that right here on the peel board. So two at a time, and I can take them over to the truck. This is nice because you can set it up right next to the vehicle you're working on, and there's plenty of room to cut. When I do visor strips, I might leave a visor hang down if I need to put it up here on the glass and cut around it. It's pretty sturdy, but I'll be honest, it has a little screw type pressure thing in the back. I would say right away, if you get this thing, just put a vice grip, because a vice grip will help keep it a lot sturdier when you have that glass on there, because the glass is heavy. Now, if you guys haven't seen my other peel board video, I had another piece of glass and I broke it. I'll be honest with you, I realized right away if I'm carrying glass around, there might be a situation where I drop this glass, and I said, you know what? I do not want to drop this glass in someone's shop and have pieces all over the place. So what I did with my last piece of glass, I tinted it with some safety film. Now, with this piece of glass, I just got tempered glass right away. I didn't mess around. Last time I said, you know what? I don't know, I'll have to give it a shot. And I didn't get tempered, but this time I got tempered glass. I paid a little extra and got tempered glass. And now with this glass, like, I can put it in the back of my truck or car and put stuff on top of this, and this glass won't pop. But one thing I should do is probably tint or paint the back of it so it's white. It kind of lets you just see what you're doing a little bit better. But I've had this glass for a long time, just like this, and I haven't had any issues. Now this glass, I kind of just picked the size of this, kind of just going off the top of my head from my last one. I knew I wanted to be able to fit two pieces of film on here for two windows, so kind of went by that. And I also think I got a quarter of an inch piece of glass. You don't have to get something that's heavy. I mean, you don't even have to get glass. If you want to just get plexiglass or make your own, like a type of board, something flat. I just wanted glass because, you know, I know you can cut on it and it'll last really well as long as I don't drop it. So like I said before, you can put anything in here that you want to use, but my choice was glass because I knew glass would hold up. It is a little bit heavier because it's thicker, but it works really well. Another thing I'm going to say about this easel is just when you're putting it together and you get it out of the box, right away, don't even mess around, just put Loctite on all the bolts. Loctite them right away so you won't have any issues with the bolts falling around, because for me traveling, I use this in the back of my truck in the summer, I put it in the back of my car in the winter, but from all that road travel, I have noticed that some of the bolts have gotten loose over time, so you do need to check them. But it's really lightweight, I mean like lightweight steel or aluminum, I'm not exactly sure what it is. I mean, you can pick this thing up with one hand. The top of it folds down so it can compress down to a smaller size. You fold it, you can throw it in the back of your truck or a car, the seats flip down, and you can carry it anywhere you gotta go. Easily you'll be under 150 bucks for a mobile setup. That's just two things. You don't have to rig nothing up or do anything crazy. Two little pieces and you're good to go for mobile anywhere you gotta take. So with this setup, you can just take this and set it up anywhere you gotta go. It gets you off the customer's vehicle for cutting. And I feel for me, it just helps me be more efficient. I don't wanna say faster because it's not about speed, but I'm more efficient. I'll put, if you've seen in some of my other videos, I'll put two pieces of film down on the glass. I'll double cut, I'll double shrink, I'll do it all right on here. I can cut the sides really well. I just trim the top edge on the customer's car. I come over to the peel board, and man, I'm to the point now, if I don't have my glass when I'm out tinting, I just feel like I just can't get it done in my time efficient manner to get a set of fronts done or something when you go into a customer's location. So I love having my peel board set up with me. Sometimes I won't take the stand, I'll just take the glass and I'll set it down, but I don't really like doing that. So I like having my whole stand. So it just depends on what I'm doing. If I'm doing a few vehicles at a location, I'll definitely have this set up so I don't have to be on the customer car cutting, because you know we don't want to scratch any type of glass. So I just like having this set up. I use it all the time. It works well for me and I just roll with it. So once again, like I said, I've been using this for over a year. If it breaks or something really goes wrong with it, I'll probably just go ahead and buy another one and just keep on going. It's something I found that works the best for me, traveling and going places. It's not crazy big that it causes too much of a problem, but like I said, one hand you can carry this thing into someone's building really quick, set it up and be tinting fast. Like I said before, check the link down in the description below for this Amazon easel. If you guys want to pick one up through the link, I would greatly appreciate it. It is the Amazon affiliate link, just so you guys know. It will help support the channel. Also, link down in the description if you want to pick up some Fade to Black merchandise to support the channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Once again, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss any notifications. Give the video a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs down. Leave a comment to let me know if you have any questions. Let me know for what you use for your mobile setup, and I will be back with another video soon. Stay faded. Peace. I thought I'd take a big, you guys. If you want to check out the glass peel board that I broke, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to the Fade to Black channel, click over here.